Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has sharply criticized Western countries for imposing restrictions on the use of donated arms, accusing them of being afraid of both a Russian and Ukrainian defeat. In a candid interview with AFP on Friday, Zelensky expressed his frustration over the conditions placed on the use of long-range weapons supplied to Kyiv. They can fire any weapons from their territory at ours. This is the biggest advantage that Russia has. We can't do anything to their systems, which are located on the territory of Russia, with Western weapons, Zelensky stated in the interview aired on Saturday. This restriction significantly hampers Ukraine's ability to retaliate against Russian forces effectively. Back in April, US National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan confirmed that Washington had secured assurances from Kyiv that the MGM-140 Army Tactical Missile System, that is ATACMS missiles, would only be used within the occupied territories of Ukraine and not inside Russia. Zelensky accused the West of a contradictory approach, supporting Ukraine while being afraid of a decisive Russian defeat. We are in a nonsense situation where the West is afraid that Russia will lose the war, and it does not want Ukraine to lose it, he remarked. He highlighted the differing goals, noting, "We want the war to end with a fair peace for us, whereas the West wants the war to end, period, as soon as possible, and for them, this is a fair peace." Since late last year, Russia has been making gradual advances, achieving significant gains along the northeastern border, particularly in an offensive that began on May 10 in the Kharkiv region. In response to manpower shortages, Kyiv recently passed a mobilization law aimed at boosting the morale of its forces. Zelensky acknowledged the growing exhaustion and frustration among Ukrainian fighters due to the lack of rotation. Zelensky has repeatedly appealed to the West, especially the US, for long-range missiles and advanced fighter jets to counter Russia's air superiority and address ground force deficiencies. Ukraine, having lost much of its air force, including Soviet-era jets donated by NATO members, is seeking F-16s from the US-led coalition. Belgium, Denmark, Norway and the Netherlands have pledged to provide these jets and train Ukrainian pilots. However, Kyiv is restricted from using Western-supplied weapons to strike inside Russia. In March, Russian President Vladimir Putin warned of consequences if F-16s were used against Russian troops from neighboring countries. Russia has cautioned that Western support for Ukraine could extend the conflict, with Putin warning in February of the risk of nuclear war if Western troops are deployed in eastern Ukraine.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.